Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Your family deserves the very best. Here it is. This elegant family home, located in the quiet and peaceful family-oriented upper middle income community of Green Acres, St. Catherine. Constructed in 2014 and sitting on quarter acre, this well-appointed home offers you a total of 5 bedrooms, 5 ensuite bathrooms, including an inviting primary suite, all complemented by walk-in closets, with a beautifully designed powder room on the main level and a movie theater. Your guests might just try to move in. Clothed in marble and accented with tasteful finishes, you are sure to enjoy all 7,200 square feet of this designer home, featuring a well-equipped Thomasville designed chef's kitchen with Viking appliances and walk-in pantry. You will enjoy learning new culinary skills and enjoying tasteful meals at home as you entertain friends and family in a space that opens into a spacious living and dining room. A home office, gym space, and a full washroom also awaits you. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 400,000 or Jamaican $61.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.